Okay, so what do we do here? You can see that in the text of the question, it is implicit the fact that we're talking about a motion of a unique distance, right? We have this motion, which is a distance of simply 1 mile. Okay, and the question has to do with a difference in times. So a first speed, could be moving at 40 miles per hour, and this obviously will correspond to a certain time 1, which we don't know. And another possibility is to move over that same distance at a speed of 60 miles per hour, faster, which obviously will be done in a different time, which we don't know. But can we find those times out? Well, we know that there is this universal formula, with motion at a constant speed that connects speed, time, and distance. So if I am given the distance and I am given the rates, can I find the time? I should be able to find. Here the time would be the distance, or 1 mile, divided by 40 miles over hour. So you see how the units cancel here, and you get hours, and so this is basically 1 over 40 hours, or 1/40th of an hour. Here, similarly, 1 over 60 hours. So what is the difference? This is how much longer. So the difference in times will be simply 1 over 40 minus 1 over 60. But this is a difference in hours. In order to find the time in seconds, that difference in time in seconds, I need to multiply this by, because this is hours, I need to multiply this by the factor 3600 seconds per hour, because an hour contains 60 times 60 seconds. So, the units will cancel here, and once I set up this fraction, the least common multiple for this is simply 120. So you can set up that difference with a common denominator. Here you would have this. Obviously, this is simply 1, right? So this multiplied by 3600. Now you only have seconds. So you divide 360 by 120, you get 3. So 3 and 0, 30. 30 seconds is the correct answer choice. Okay, so the idea is that you use, the graph and the concept of the formula provided for distance problems to see or to do like an inventory of what you got and what you are missing. Okay, so from setting up the graph, we clearly see that we have the distance information, we have speed information. In both cases, in both scenarios, what we're missing is the time, but the time can be calculated using this formula. Okay, so this implies that times equals distance over speed, or rate. And then it's simply a difference of those times, what we need to yield, but in seconds, not in hours. Okay, so always keep track also of the units provided, for the different quantities.